Treating both the inside and outside of your home with ant gel bait is necessary for reliable, long-term ant elimination when colonies span both spaces. Ant colonies forage across indoors and outdoors, so applying gel bait only in one area often leaves surviving workers to re-establish foraging patterns. Place small pea-sized drops of a slow-acting protein or sugar-based gel along active trails, near entry points and close to nest sites when known, keeping placements out of reach of children and pets. Match bait type to the ants you see, because some species prefer sugar and others prefer protein. If attractions change within a day or two, switch bait type rather than increasing quantity. Monitor all bait stations daily and refresh any that are consumed or dried, since consistent availability encourages transfer to the nest and eventual collapse of the colony. Track where returning workers travel by following trails at low light or using a flashlight from the outside inward, so you can connect indoor and outdoor placements and avoid treating areas with no activity. Repeat applications until no ants are observed for 2 consecutive weeks, and combine baiting with preventative steps like sealing gaps, reducing moisture sources, and removing food residues so new colonies have fewer incentives to move in. Common mistakes include using fast-acting sprays immediately before baiting, and that can kill workers before they share bait, so avoid sprays near bait stations and focus sprays only on isolated nests you can directly treat by excavation. Another frequent issue is placing bait where it will be contaminated by other pesticides or rain, which ruins palatability. So put bait under eaves, inside cracks, or beneath overhangs outdoors and in sheltered indoor locations. People also assume one application is enough, but rapid reinfestation happens when satellite nests remain untreated, so persist with baiting until activity ceases and widen your treatment perimeter to include likely satellite nest sites. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share practical tips and experiences about pest control and other home projects. We help homeowners find contractors, and we help contractors find work by making it easy to connect through our platform.